Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm great. I'm wonderful because I'm going to explain to you the different activities for this week. Remember that we are going to work or continue working on the shaping language, the term number 1, human rights and diversity. Good. So we are going to continue because the last week we stuck on page 29. So we're going to try to check about the tenses present simple and present continuous. Yep, we're going to review it and we are going to continue with page 30. So just for discussion debate, look at this page, look at the both pictures. Would you like to travel to any of these places? Discuss with a classmate. So we are going to choose one of them and we are going to give the reasons in class. Good. Then you go to the pronunciation box about the sound, like map, camera, or the R. That is art and market. Yep, and the O. That is something like an open O, like London and Malta. Good. Perfect, guys. Then you are going to listen to the tourist sites around the world. Yep, you are going to listen it, you are going to review it, and you are going to tell me or to give me, yep, I prefer this, to give me sentences, 5 sentences that you heard in the audio file using any of these words. Good, guys. Then you go to the point number 3. When you create the sentences, you're going to classify these words into these charts. For example, which words belong to a, to r, and o. Good. Perfect, guys. We continue with page 31. So on point number 1, read the text about Acropolis, underline the correct answer. Yeah, if the information isn't given, underline doesn't say. Good, doesn't say. Good, about the Acropolis here. Then you are going to create your own right, wrong, and doesn't say statements. Then ask the classmate, and we are going to go with participation points about to answer them. Good. So here we are going to the 3 points to complete it. Then you are going to complete the following texts using the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Yep, the brackets here, for example, the 2 parentheses and the line here. So we are going to go with that word in the brackets here. Yep, in these lines. Good. Then you are going to go to the page 32. This is an interesting class because we are going to work with the writing process. Good, guys. So I created this image or this mind map to understand how to write coherent paragraphs. Yep. For example, when you want to create a coherent paragraph, you are going to give the tense. You're going to give me the correct words. That all the topic is going to have sense. Yep. To be coherent. So, for example, the first step is to brainstorm or create brainstorming ways or ideas about different things. Good. The outline. Good. The second step is the outline, so you are going to create your sentences in order to know about the information that you want to apply in your paragraph. Good. The third step, when you have the outline ready, you create the organization here. So you organize your ideas in order to construct your paragraph. Then you are going to build the text coherently with cohesion. Yep. Apply the tenses. The idea is that you try to understand the idea that you are going to apply or you want to insight or you want to give or you want to expose in that case. When you have the text built, so you are going to revise and check the grammar, the coherence and cohesion. Remember that what is the present simple, the present continuous, past simple, past continuous, present perfect simple, present perfect continuous. Yep. So we are going to analyze them and in order to be coherent in a text. Then the last part, the 6th step is going to be to present or expose or perform your text. What do I mean? We are going to create like a little space of exposing our texts. Yep, you're going to give the descriptions, you're going to give a comment, or for example, different explanations about different text in a virtual platform that we are going to analyze in the class. Good, guys. Remember this image, okay? Good. So here we are going to use these kind of points to understand our comprehension ability in the case of images. Yep, what the images say to us. Good. Then here on page 34 we are going to look at the pictures. Yep, those pictures. And have you been to any of these places? Any of these places? So draw yourself in one of them. So you're going to draw yourself, your person, in one of these places. Yep. Why? Yep. Then you are going to go to the awesome reader and writer, fasten your seatbelt. Yep. And choose 6 words you found most interesting and write a small paragraph either summarizing the story. Good. So if we understand how to do this part, we are going to know how to do the point number 2 on page 34. Good, guys. Then we are going to continue with page 35 and we are going to continue with point number 5. Yep, listen to a phone conversation between a travel agent and a customer. Write the words from the boxes in the first column in order to hear them. Yep. Then you go to exercise number 6 to complete the second column. So you are going to go with the order. We have here the words. You are going to complete here which of these words is first called or mentioned. Yep. So from the first onto the 6th. Then you go to the point number 6. Listen, how is each word in exercise used? Tell me what is the sentence or what is the context that each one of the words are used in the sentence. Okay? Good. So go ahead. On the page number 36, we go just for the point number 3. So listen again. So listen what? We're going to listen to that story, that before and after you get done. But before number 3, you go to number 2. Yep, to understand what is the meaning of these kind of words that are mentioned here on understand the biggest topic of this. But just listen it here. But you go to the point number 3. Yep, you go to listen that audio file and you're going to write what happened to Thomas before and after he went on his tour. Compare your notes with your classmates and add any points you have missed. Yep, before the tour and after the tour. Good. So we continue with page 37. We go to this chart, Alex's trip block. So we are going to read it carefully and we're going to complete this. Number 6. The point number 6. Read the statements about Alex's trip block. So write T for true or F for false. Then add 2 statements of your own. Ask a classmate to answer them. So which one of them is true or which one of them is false? According to what? To that reading part. Alex strip block. Good. So we continue with page 38 and we are going to go just with the point number 2. Only the points number 2. So listen to the track. That is Maya Friends. So arrange the words below in order you hear them. Tell me which one of these words is first, which one is the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the 6th. Good. Then we are going to do in class the activities about this point number 3 of the page 38. So the idea is that we are going to write the sentences that refer the present facts. The present facts. Yes? And two sentences that refer the past activities. So we are going to make a contrast between present and past. And we are going to review present simple, present continuous, and past simple and past continuous. Good, guys. So we are going to continue the last page of this week. That is going to be the page 39. So we are going to make the review of past simple to clarify, to understand better what is the topic about. Yep, how can we use them? And the sentences, how can we use that sentence or that topic or that context in the past simple and past continuous. Okay, guys, so remember that we are going to do different things and activities virtually, in class, at home if you want, and we are going to use all the English the most that we can. Okay, guys, that is everything for this week. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, guys. See you.